Recently, China's Sea Giant was officially delivered. Although its displacement does not exceed 7 Ford-class aircraft carriers, its maximum load capacity has reached 200,000 tons, and its deck area is as large as 4 football fields. Just how big is this giant? Let's take a closer look in this video. China Shipbuilding, huge LNG carrier. In recent years, China has made major breakthroughs in the shipbuilding industry. China's Hudong Zhonghua Shipbuilding Group Co. Ltd. has built the world's largest new LNG-powered ship. This truly giant ship is the world's first new type of ship powered by liquefied petroleum gas, used for oil transportation. Due to the extremely high difficulty of construction, the LNG-powered ship is known as the jewel in the crown, and its role is limitless. The LNG ship built in China has a total length of 400 meters, a width of 63 meters, a design speed of 22.5 knots per hour, a maximum load of 400,000 tons, and a maximum draft of 18 meters. In addition, the ship can automatically adjust the draft according to the depth of the sea and has strong sea trial performance, and can move forward smoothly even in dry water and solar terms. The deck area of the ship is close to 4 standard football fields. What is amazing is that on such a large deck, it can also accommodate oil storage equipment nearly 10 stories high, which is completely equivalent to a highly integrated offshore oil processing plant, and there are unique signs on the appearance of the ship, which is shocking enough just from the outside. It would be even more spectacular if sailing on the ocean. China's breakthrough in shipbuilding. At present, there are very few countries in the world that can independently build LNG carriers, and China develops late in this field. It is only after the United States, Japan, South Korea, and other countries that it gradually realizes independent research and development. Although the development is late, it has obvious advantages in safety, performance, and other aspects. Moreover, during construction, Chinese engineers improved the exhaust emission system of the ship, reducing the emission of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide to 98%. Many of these technologies were created for the first time in the country. In the context of the current global energy crisis, these have led to a substantial drop in energy transportation costs in China. The full load displacement of a Chinese-made LNG carrier can also reach 700,000 tons, far exceeding the displacement of a Ford-class aircraft carrier and reaching the scale of a world-class giant ship. In addition, this LNG carrier is also one of the most environmentally friendly ships with strong environmental protection performance. It can reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide to 98%, which helps to reduce environmental pollution caused by shipping. The development and leading position of China's shipbuilding industry. In the last century, China's shipbuilding industry was underdeveloped, and all large ships were manufactured by developed countries. After several years of development, China not only has the ability to independently manufacture aircraft carriers, but also has mastered the construction technology of large LNG ships, and has achieved a leading position in the shipbuilding field. Now all countries in the world need to import LNG ships from China. With the continuous development of China, more and more shipbuilding orders are now being received, which has completely suppressed South Korea. In 2021, the number of new orders received by China's shipbuilding industry throughout the year surpassed that of South Korea, becoming the leader of the global shipbuilding industry. At present, LNG carriers are in short supply, and their single-day rent is as high as $400,000. Orders for new ships are directly scheduled until 2027, And this situation of short supply cannot be changed in a short period of time. According to statistics, the order volume of LNG carriers last year had surpassed that in 2021 and reached 111 ships. While the world's demand for LNG carriers is soaring, China's shipbuilding industry has quietly appeared in the world market. China's rise in LNG shipbuilding. In recent years, China's shipbuilding industry has continuously made new breakthroughs in the production and manufacturing of qualified parts, making the LNG shipbuilding industry show its edge in the world market. It is reported that among the 111 LNG carriers orders last year, almost all of the market was divided between China and South Korea, forming a 20-80 split. At present, Chinese shipyards have won 83 orders, while South Korea has only won the remaining 28 orders. Judging from the development speed of the shipbuilding industry, China has far surpassed South Korea. In the field of shipbuilding, although China started early, it only delivered its first ship in the past 10 years, and could not even receive orders before 2018. However, after several years of development, China's market share has reached 82%. In contrast, Korean shipbuilding has already experienced operating fatigue. Hudong Shipyard is the only large-scale LNG shipbuilding enterprise in China. The LNG carriers it builds have advanced performance. They not only have good prospects in the domestic market, but also won many overseas orders. From 2020 to 2021, Hudong delivered 4 large LNG carriers to China. In January 2022, Russia signed a large order worth up to 20 billion with Hudong Shipyard, and the number of LNG carriers to be delivered are expected to reach 15. This order provides great support for the revival of the domestic shipbuilding industry. In addition, in 2019, Brazil also ordered 1 LNG carrier in China, which was officially delivered last year. The purchase cost of this LNG carrier was only $240 million, but it has a huge scale and complete functions. It can be used as a dock for fighter jets and dock for radar detection. This LNG carrier can also withstand the attack of super typhoon and tsunami. Through this cooperation, the world has also seen China's strong construction capabilities. Once put into use, its rate of return will greatly exceed the cost of input. China's leading position in LNG ship manufacturing technology. In order to ensure the absolute safety of LNG ships, very strict requirements are put forward for the materials, parts, design and construction process of the ships. If any step is slightly careless, it is very likely to cause unpredictable and serious consequences. The hull of the giant LNG-powered ship built in China adopts seamlessly integrated welding machine technology, which greatly improves the overall safety. It has meticulous design and construction in terms of hull anti-rust, zero leakage, and hydrodynamics. This power ship not only reduces consumption and saves energy, but is also equipped with a marine information system independently developed by China. This information system integrates a number of advanced intelligent digital technologies and can monitor all equipment on the ship for abnormal fault warning and online monitoring. If there is any abnormality in the work, the system can send back information in time, which improves the overall operational safety factor, including the cockpit system with computer participation and the high-tech propulsion system and so on. China's marine engine technology is also at the international leading level, the most important of which is the core engine of the giant ship. China has the world's largest dual-fuel engine, Independently developed by China and produced by China Shipbuilding Industry Group Company, Ltd. This dual-fuel engine with flexible fuel can not only use liquefied petroleum gas, but also use traditional fuels such as diesel, which has the characteristics of energy saving and environmental protection. The overall achievements of China's shipbuilding industry. In short, China's shipbuilding industry has gradually become the world's leading position in terms of technology and craftsmanship. Its construction capabilities and technical level in the field of LNG carriers have been recognized and affirmed internationally, and will continue to play an important role in the international market in the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.